Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's tutorial I will show you how to design a resume or a CV for free in Canva. This is data driven consult. Let's go straight. First of all, go to canva.com, then select create design custom size, and for CV we'll be using 8.5 by 11 inches. Select that. On your page, add an element, a square box, and shape it to cover 1/3 of the whole page, and we'll change the color. Now we'll add another element, a cross, and shape it very well. Then let's add our image. After adding the image, we now add a frame to it. Shape the frame to fit the image, and let's change the background color to white. After that, we'll write the name. Go to text, add text. Let's change the font to Times New Roman and write the name there. After that, we'll add the contact details. Here we'll add the email address, the location, and the phone number. After that, go to the element section and search for emails icon, phones icon, and location icons. Then we'll align that according to our text. Let's change the color of our element to white to make it visible. Make sure the text box is well aligned, and after adding all the elements, shape them very well, place them in front, and we'll change their colors to white to make them visible. Now let's add another text box, and here we'll add the skill section. Write skill, and below write your skills there. We write skills, then go to elements and add a line. We reduce the size of the line to 3. Align that very well and add the skills below. Next, copy the skill, and we'll change this to languages. After that, copy the line as well. We'll duplicate it and place it below the languages and add the languages. Now we'll do same, duplicate one of the text boxes, and then we'll use that as a summary section. So put that at the white space and rename it summary. Then we'll add another line below that, reduce the size to 3 and extend it to fit the page. Now below that we'll add our summary. After our summary, the next thing is experience. So once again, we duplicate the summary box, bring it down and write experience. After that, we duplicate the line as well once again and bring it below the experience section. Type all your experience there. The next thing is education section. So once again, we duplicate one of the boxes, write education, then bring a line under that. After that, we bring your education. Then finally, our last section will be certifications. So we'll duplicate the education box and edit it to certification. All these online courses, free courses that you undertake, that comes with certificates, these fall under certifications. So we'll add our certification below that. Yes, so our CV is ready. Before then, let's extend the lines. Good, our CV is ready. So to download it, click share and select the format. Here we'll select PDF standard and then click download, and that is it. So this is how to simply create and design a resume in Canva for free. All this for free. Please like this, hit the like button and subscribe.